Good evening, guys. Mike Padua here, and we are returning now to our tropical weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, December 23 to 25, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Wednesday, until tomorrow, Thursday, we have the northeast monsoon retreating a little bit up to the north, just affecting the Taiwan and these coastal areas of southern China. And we have here tropical depression Kovan. This was once Vicky, which passed over Mindanao and Palawan. This tropical depression continues to weaken as it moves towards the coastal areas, or the southern coastal areas of Vietnam. It is expected to weaken farther into a low pressure area within the next few days. Now here over the Philippine Islands, we have the prevailing easterly surface wind flows, or easterlies, affecting the eastern sections of Luzon, including Batanes and Babuing Islands, Bicol region, Romblon, Visayas, as well as Palawan and eastern Mindanao. So expect somewhat good weather, but in the afternoon and evening there are some stray or isolated thunderstorms or rain showers expected for the next 24 hours. We don't have any developing LPAs or tropical cyclone outside or inside the Philippine area of responsibility. It's all clear. We have only here a couple of weather systems. We have a surface trough here to the south of Guam, and another one over eastern Micronesia and Marshall Islands. This is a wind convergence, and there are some indication that the cluster or cloudiness within the surface trough may become a low pressure area to the south of Mindanao, and it will pass over the offshore areas of Bangsamoro and southern coastal areas of Zamboanga this coming December 26 or 27, and it could become a well-developed LPA over the southern portions of Sulu Archipelago as it moves towards southern Palawan. So it will bring some rainy conditions across Mindanao and Palawan come December 25 or 26. So watch out for that. We will keep you updated on that LPA. And as we look at our fast animation, so you can clearly see here this cluster of surface troughs moving towards the west. And then, and then the Philippines will continue to have some good weather. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, for the past 6 hours, we could observe some thunderstorm activity over the southern and western sections of Mindanao, while here over Luzon, very small thunderstorm over southern Quezon, particularly along Gumaca at Timonan area. And as we look at our wind, pressure, and rain forecast for the next 2 days, by tomorrow morning, normal weather conditions across the Philippine Islands, but in the afternoon, you can expect some showers over portions of northern Luzon, portions of eastern Visayas, as well as Mindanao and Palawan. And as we move it closer towards the weekend, on Friday, December 25, Christmas Day, we could clearly see here some, we can observe here a localized thunderstorms across, you can see here some thunderstorms across most parts of Mindanao on Christmas Day. And then on December 26, we are observing a possible formation of a low pressure area over Sulu Sea based on the forecast models from ECMWF. So we are going to take a look at that in the coming days. But so far, the easterly surface wind flow will remain dominant for the next 3 to 5 days. Especially during Christmas Day. Okay, so expect some thunderstorm activity over Mindanao come Christmas Day. Okay, so that's it. That's the latest from our European model from ECMWF, the rain and wind plus pressure forecast. Now, as we take a look at our global topics, hazards, and benefits outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. So this is for the next 2 weeks to keep you updated what will be in store in the tropics, especially the Philippines. Now, on week 1, valid December 23 to 29, we have above average rainfall across the Bicol region, Mimaropa, Visayas, and Mindanao, including Sulu Archipelago, beginning December 23 to December 29. So we could expect some rain showers and thunderstorms due to a possible approach of a low pressure area to the south of Mindanao. Then on week 2, valid December 30 to January 5, 2021, continued above average rainfall will be expected across most parts of the Philippine Islands because of the prevailing La Nina climate conditions. Okay, so that's the latest, and that ends our tropical weather advisory for this Wednesday through Friday, December 20 to 25, and we are returning once again, on Friday, December 25, Xmas Day. So we are going to give you the latest on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands on Xmas Day. So this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Merry Christmas to all, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.